Guided Meditation for Healing. Perform this guided meditation in an area of peace and calmness. Choose your meditation position of comfort. For this guided meditation, we recommend that you lie down, sit in a chair, use easy pose, or any lotus position for best result. If you choose to sit, do so comfortably with good posture. For best effect, eyes closed, but you may choose to keep your eyes open. Head and chin forward, not tilted for easy breathing. Ears leveled with each shoulder. Back straight as possible. Pelvis centered. Rock your hips side to side to ensure pelvic comfort in sitting for proper grounding. You may rest the palms of your hands on top of your thighs. If in a chair, legs uncrossed, feet planted 1 foot apart, toes forward. If lying down, face to the ceiling, arms by your side, legs uncrossed. In this meditation, do not focus on perfection in position, but more so being as comfortable as possible. This is to prevent distraction, allowing you to be as open and receptive to healing energy over your mind, body, and spirit. We will move forward with our breathing. Inhale, take a deep, slow breath in, and exhale. Again, deep, slow breath in, and exhale. Count 4 seconds per inhale, 5 seconds per exhale. Continue breathing as instructed, drawing more attention to your breath. As you continue to become more aware of your breath, you may also become more aware of your thoughts. If you are having random thoughts, this is normal. Allow the sound of my voice to cut through those thoughts, taking your attention. Listen only to my voice. Remember, you're breathing as you listen to my voice. Allow yourself to become more removed from the world, your stress, tension, concerns, and any worries you may have about your mind, body, and spirit. Set your intention to relax in this moment. Feel your face becoming more relaxed, followed by your neck, shoulders, spreading down your arms, chest, stomach, legs, and feet. Releasing negative energy that has been trapped in your vessel. Remember, meditation is not about stopping your thoughts, but controlling where you want your thoughts and energy to go. Right now, you only want to think about healing. Healing your mind, healing your body, and revitalizing your spirit. In this moment, you are being covered and wrapped in a white sheet of pure, positive, healing energy, concealing every inch of your vessel, from the tip of your head to the tips of your fingers and toes. The energy of the sheet can only be controlled by your will to feel and be happy, grateful, vibrant, and healthy. As you listen to the following affirmations, believe with all your mind, body, and spirit. This will increase the effectiveness of the white healing energy sheet. Affirm: I am filled with gratitude for the Most High Creator and everyone positive in my life. I am aware that I am insufficient without you all, and thank all of you for being in my life. I forgive anyone and anything that has caused me pain, trauma, and strife. I am in possession of a healing mind and body that is healthier with each passing day. The aligning energy of the affirmations has activated the healing energy of the sheet and is being received by your vessel. Breathe deeply, bringing healing energy to all the cells in your body, lightening your body, invigorating, and energizing. Your mind and body is a temple, sacred, cleansed, and filled with goodness. Every system of your body, mental, physical, and spiritual, is aligned and functions exactly as intended. Continue to relax and allow the power of the affirmations and healing energy sheet to weaken all negative energy and sickness over your mind, your body, and your spirit. Counting down from 5 to 1, you will slowly bring yourself out of meditation. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We appreciate your presence and allowing yourself the opportunity to explore. We are extremely grateful for you and speak love, happiness, peace, and prosperity into your being. Come back for more healing, enlightenment, and positive transformation. Until next time, be positive.